Presenting the Nokia 3.4 Dusk, 4GB RAM and 64GB storage. In color options of charcoal, dusk and fjord. The phone has display of all your favorite entertainment, 16.23 centimeters. The phone also has the perfect shot and living colors. Immersive HD Plus and punch hole display for maximized screen real estate. It has 13MP plus 5MP ultra-wide plus 2MP depth triple camera AI imaging. It has portrait mode, night mode and the ultra-wide lens. Take. It comes with a single charge and the adaptive battery one. It is powered by the newest Qualcomm Snapdragon 460 mobile platform. It also features dual SIM. The delivery box contains in the box, Nokia 3.4 device, quick start guide and charger, Type-C USB cable, SIM tray tool and headset. Product comes with standard brand warranty. For further information visit the product detail page.